It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having apple glazed pork loin. You're going to need about 3 pounds of pork loin, salt, pepper, 12 ounces of apple jelly, 4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Okay, I have a pan here with a rack. I'm just gonna put the pork loin on, and you want to salt and pepper this real well. I've got a little bit of water in the bottom. It doesn't call for that, but I'm gonna put some water in the bottom there. Salt and pepper it good. Press it in. I have to wash my pepper grinder here. I think it calls for 1 1/8 teaspoon of salt and pepper, but I'm just going to put on how much you want. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, I'm gonna bake this uncovered in a 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. Okay, while that's baking, I'm gonna put in a saucepan my apple jelly. And get it out of the bottle. Calls for 12 ounces. I've got a little less, but I think it'll be okay. And then I'm just going to put 1 1/2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. It says divided 3 teaspoons. There's a sauce that they recommend making afterwards, but I'm not going to be making that. So just 1 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And the Dijon mustard. That was 4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Now I'm just going to heat this up and set it aside. Now I'm going to set this aside till the meat comes out. Okay, here it is out of the oven. I'm going to take some of our glaze and just brush it on top. Now I'm going to put this back in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Here it is out of the oven. We're gonna baste some more of this glaze on. Now this has a sauce you can make with it, but we're just going to use the glaze. I'll leave the recipe in the description. Now we gotta let this set for 10 minutes before cutting into it, and then we'll plate it up and give it a taste. Here it is all plated up. Got mashed potatoes, corn, and green beans from the garden. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Yummy. Delicious.
That's a keeper.
Gonna get some taters on that. A little bit of corn.
It's good, folks. Delicious.
All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homans, Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homans, Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans, Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.